Hey guys, my name is Lisa, I'm an industrial designer, and this is episode 2 of my sketching series, where I share some fundamentals of perspective drawings, which will help you sketch three-dimensional objects accurately. So, as always, grab a piece of paper, a pen, and let's jump right into it.
So, in order for us to draw circles in perspective accurately, we need to draw a cube in 2 points perspective first, and then draw the circles on its sides. If you're not familiar with what 2 points perspective means, you should definitely check my previous video where I explained everything in details. So as you can see, I'm starting with the top surface of our future cube, connecting all points of the cube with the vanishing points to make sure that our proportions and perspectives are accurate, because we will definitely need that for drawing the circles later on. I then move down to draw the bottom of the cube, repeating pretty much the same steps. So once the cube is ready, let's draw the circle on the top surface. We need to draw the diagonal lines first, and then connect the middles of each side. These are the lines that will help us draw the circles accurately. Then you should divide the diagonal lines into 6 parts. After that, start connecting the middle points of each side of the drawing, making a curve through the 6th segment that we marked on each diagonal line. As you can see, I'm showing you. So this is basically it. You have your circle, and then you can repeat exactly the same steps to draw the circles on the remaining surfaces of the cube. So if you want to keep your circles accurate, always start with a square in perspective as a guideline, even when you master your sketching and feel absolutely confident and fluent. I still do it now. So I've decided to quickly add some line weight to the sketch so you can clearly see all the lines, because when there are so many of them, it's very easy to get confused. Oftentimes in industrial design you will have to cut some parts out of the surface, so I thought I would share how you can do that. Let's cut down the top circle 5 millimeters down inside the cube. So to do that, we need to draw a square 5 millimeters lower than the top surface. As you can see, I'm putting all of the middle points 5 millimeters down, also following the 2 points perspective fundamentals. It's very easy to get confused because there are so many lines, and I've decided to use a contrast color marker. So I'm outlining the square that we will need for the next circle with a green marker so you can clearly see it. So inside that square, we again need to draw the diagonal lines, as well as connecting the middles of each side. It's also better to do it in a contrast color. Again, dividing each diagonal line into 6 parts, and then connecting the middles. So now we have the circle. Let's make it bolder, and then let's add some shadow so it's clear that this part is cut out. So once everything is done, I usually like to take a brush pen and make the visible lines just a little bit more thicker and more convincing.
So I highly recommend you practice this exercise multiple times, so with the practice you become more confident with your lines. So that was it for this video. Please leave any questions you might have down below in the comments. Stay tuned for more design and sketching related content, and I will see you soon.